Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 12, C is 20 and D is 24. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number three is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, or you can say parenthesis. So first we have one bracket or parenthesis. So we have to solve this part first. So we will write 12 plus 48 divided by 12, 6 plus 6 equals to 12, multiply by 2. Here we will write as it is, and here 6 plus 6 equals to 12. Now, move forward. Step number 2 is you have to solve exponent and order of operation. So what we have to do, we have to find the any number which has the power. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we will skip this one. We have to go for division and multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go for division and multiplication. We have to go left to right in this expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have 48 divided by 12. So first we have to divide these two terms. We have answer is 4. So we have here 4 multiplied by 2. And again we have to give the reference like 42 is 1 we have, right? Divided by 12 equals to 4. Now again we have to go left to right in this expression and find out again multiplication and division until we have completed all we have solved all multiplication and division. So now we have 4 multiplied by 2. So here we will write like 12 plus 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And here we have to give the reference 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. And here we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 20. So the answer of the given expression is 20. If you see the answer list, so answer C is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.